In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to scalp meme coins, and we will be using this platform here called Axiom Pro for this tutorial. I'm going to be breaking down exactly how to use Axiom Pro to start making consistently money with meme coins trading. And I'm also going to show you my full setup, the filters that I use, the Twitter tracker, the wallet tracking, and every tool that I use inside of this Axiom Pro that helps me to stay ahead and catch most of the pumps. By the end of this tutorial, guys, you will have a full guide to spot winning coins early. You'll be able to avoid scams, and also you'll be able to trade like an insider who has more information. Now let's dive into it. Firstly, you need to create an account on Axiom. Axiom is an all-in-one trading platform designed specifically for Solana meme coins. In order to set up Axiom, you will need a referral code to get access. So go to the first link in the description of this video and use the code CryptoRay, and it should bring you to this page. And this code not only unlocks access but also gives you 10% off of all your trading fees, which is the lowest rate any Axiom trader can get right now. And once you're here, you can sign up with either your Gmail or your Phantom wallet. The next step we need to take in this process is for us to set the filters on this platform. Right here on this platform, you could see this pulse, which is the heartbeat of this platform, and then you could see new pairs, final stretch, and migrated. And each of these has their own different filters, and I'm going to show you exactly how I set each of them that will help you to find the best coins and avoid the noise. Several coins are being created every minute, and without filters, it can be quite chaotic. There's a bunch of spam and garbage here popping up on your face every millisecond. Having the right filters when you're trading is what really separates the average losing trader from the winners. So here's what I use to filter out the noise. I'm going to come over to final stretch, and I'm going to enter these filters. Right here on final stretch, there are two important metrics that I need to add right here. So I'll come to where you have bundle curve, and I'm going to put this at maximum of 30. And for the age of the coin, I'm going to leave it at 5 minutes. Then I'm going to apply this. Then right here over to the migrated section, I want to come over to the metrics section, and then I'm going to keep the market cap at 40,000. Now you can see that the noise has really reduced. So now looking at the migrated, you can see that all of them here are above 40,000 market cap. So you want to catch on the one that piques your interest. So right here you can see it has jumped from 200 to about 646 in market cap, and right here you can see dev bought. Okay, so what I can do right now is I can decide to simply buy into this if I want, and then look at it and wait for some time and jump out immediately. Now, you know, in scalping meme coins, we are not really interested in holding the coin for a long period of time, because all we need to do is to check for the legitimacy of that coin, and then if it catches our interest, if there's attention towards that coin, we'll just buy into it, hold it for a few minutes or few hours, and then sell that coin and take some profit. Sometimes you can make some profit, sometimes you can also lose, but when you compound those small profits over time, that is when it compounds into something big. So unlike trading high runner coins, it is not really based on convictions or holding it for a long time. So right now you can see this is beginning to decline down, and we're going to watch out to see how it happens, how it works. So you can see it's climbing up again. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to buy this, select the amount that I want to buy this with. I can easily go over here and buy right now, and you can see right now I just bought this gold, and this is the point where I bought it. So we can just be monitoring it to see how it goes. So you can see right here on this call, you can see it has jumped from 612 610 to around 751 in market cap. So that means there is some volume right here, so we can just watch this out and see what happens in the next couple of minutes. So right here you can change this time to watch out what is happening with this in 30 seconds. So you can see dev bought right here, it migrated right here, and now dev also bought at this point. So we're going to be monitoring this and be looking at how things go. So right now you can see it's beginning to sell, but the essence is just to show you how to quickly scalp. So if this thing should go to, let's say, up to 2 million in market cap, then we should make some profit right here, and then we can just go ahead and sell it immediately. And that is how you can keep compounding this type of trades, and over time you're going to be making some profits from using this platform. So guys, that's how you can actually snipe on these meme coins with this platform, and I will see you guys in the next.